In today's video, let's talk about how to use the thumbs up or thumbs down inside of Pandora. Welcome back to a new guide video on how to check. Now basically the thumbs up or the thumbs down option inside of Pandora tells the algorithm of Pandora that you either like or dislike a particular song that you're inside. So the way that you give a thumbs up or a thumbs down is you just open up any music. For example, this song or this track has the thumbs up as well as the thumbs down button. As soon as you click on the thumbs up button, it's going to tell Pandora that you enjoy these types of songs and it will start to show you more songs that are similar. Or if you click on the thumbs down option, it's going to tell Pandora that you don't like these types of songs and it will try to avoid as much as possible. So depending upon if you like or dislike a particular song, you can click on the thumbs up or thumbs down button. This way you're going to clear up your algorithm and only songs or the genre of songs that you like will be start to visible inside of your stations. So that's basically it on the way that you use the thumbs up or thumbs down inside of Pandora. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.